Yes, Parstream is an innovative database technology that enables companies to analyze mass data in real time. So first of all, analytics is not a means to itself. There is a need for doing analytics. And because of increasing competitive pressures, companies have to look closer into their data and derive value from it. They want to make the right decisions, and therefore they have to consider all of the available data, historical data, and the data that is just created at that moment in time, real-time data. Either to make decisions now, or to predict the future and help them to do better planning, better forecasting. So that's the whole idea of analytics. The specific challenges we see in IoT is, first of all, the growing volume of data. We have more and more and more sensors that are delivering data. The second thing is the speed of data coming at you. And the third thing is the geo-distribution of the data. Because of mobile networks, of Wi-Fi, of low-power Bluetooth devices, we are getting data from everywhere. And if we predict the number of sensors and the amount of data being created within the next years is growing much, much faster than the network bandwidth we have available to transfer all of this data to the companies. And that is a big challenge. It's so-called geo-distribution of data, and we have to find a technical solution to be able to push out the analytics closer to the devices that create all of this data. When we go into a company and look at the technical landscape, what we often see is rule-based decision-making with so-called complex event processing systems that are used by OT to make real-time decisions to steer a process. And then separate from these people, we find data analysts that are trying to analyze large amounts of historians. But there is an enormous gap between these two entities. Different tools, different data, different people, different focus. And I think this is a challenge for companies to bring these two worlds closer together, not only from a technical perspective, but also from deriving value from historical data and transferring it into good decision making for the future. The IoT World Forum is a melting pot where IoT interested people come together, and I've not been at an event before where I find so many people that spark off new ideas.